Alright, so quick little review. LED light bulbs, Utilitech, stay away from them. You buy them at Lowe's, stay away. This is the second light bulb to go bad in the kitchen. We've had some globes go bad in the bathrooms, and downstairs here we have the same incandescent style replacements in there, Utilitech, and they started flickering, which means they're going to go bad within the next week or two. That seems to be what happens with all of the light bulbs. They'll start to flicker before they go bad, and then they dim, and then they die. And that's the result. So, Utilitech, stay away from them. It's, I believe, a Lowe's only product. Just a fair warning, they're expensive and they're bad.